Welcome to this help guide for column addition for year 3. We've focused on 3-digit numbers this year. Those are numbers with a hundreds value, a tens value and a ones value. They've got 3 parts to that number. And there are 3 different methods we need to think about. One of them is with no exchange, one of them is exchanging ones into tens, and one of them is exchanging tens into hundreds. It's what we at school used to call carrying. We don't call it that anymore. We're trying to sort of train our brains not to think about just carrying it over there, sticking it over there, but mentally to understand that we are taking those 10 ones and exchanging them for 1 10 and showing they're worth the same, but they look slightly different. So with no exchange, it's relatively simple. We always start with the ones. We'd say that 5 ones add 4 ones is 9 ones. You'll notice I'm not just doing 5 add 4, we're saying it's ones. We're trying to train ourselves to do that. We're saying 2 tens add 6 tens is 8 tens. Not 2 add 6 is 8 because we're not adding 2 and 6, we're adding 2 tens and 6 tens. And we'd say that 4 hundreds add 3 hundreds would be 700. Here we're going to need to exchange some ones into a 10. I'll show you what that looks like. So we'd add 8 and 4 together, 8 ones and 4 ones, and say we've got 12 ones. It's too many to go into our ones column. So we're going to take the ones digit from that, which is our 2, and put it into the ones column. And then we're going to take those extra 10 ones we've got and exchange them into a 10. We used to call it carrying, we're not, we're exchanging it into a 10. So we've now got 2 tens add 1 10 with 3 tens, plus our extra 10 will make 4 tens. We're then going to add our hundreds, and we're not going to say 3 add 1, we're going to say that 3 hundreds add 100 will be 400. This example involves exchanging tens into hundreds. So 5 ones add 2 ones, we can do straight off is 7 ones. 7 tens add 5 tens will be 12 tens. So again, we're going to put 2 tens here, but our extra 10 tens we're going to exchange into 100. So we can then say that 2 hundreds add 100 will be 300, add our extra 100 will be 400. So try not to use the vocabulary of carrying or stick it over there. We exchange underneath. I know some people like to put it on top and that's fine, but if you're supporting your pupil at home, this is the way we've learned to do it. So exchange beneath, and try and remember to talk about adding tens together or adding hundreds together. Don't be tempted to just say, well, what's 3 add 1? Ask what's 3 hundreds add 100. It will really help that mathematical understanding. Have a practice at home. If you are struggling, ask your teachers for help. We'll be more than happy to talk you through it.